Morning, children. We have done solving of equations in one variable, two variable, multiple variables. Everything is over. Now we are entering into quadratic equation, the basics of which we have already done. So any equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. A second degree equation in one variable, we can take it as a quadratic. Of course, any second degree equation is quadratic, but we'll be dealing with one variable in quadratic equations. So generally when we talk about quadratic equations, first and foremost thing is solving of quadratic equations is one thing which is covered in that. When I talk about solving, there are three methods we'll be generally using. One, using the formula. If ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the equation, then we'll use x equal to minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. The second method is completing the square method. Third, breaking the middle term into factors or breaking the given equation into factors. These are the three methods of solving. Next, for a quadratic equation, these all we have already covered, children. So that's why I'm just stating the points. We are not redoing all the things again, not necessary, because we need not do anything of these kind more than once. So next, based on discriminant. What is discriminant? It is denoted by d or delta. B square minus 4ac is the discriminant. If discriminant is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. Discriminant equal to 0, roots are real and equal. Discriminant is less than 0, roots are complex. So there are no real roots. That's what we mean to say. So these are the major techniques we'll be using, and any other is always connected to one of these logics only. So of course there are certain other high level complex problems. When the situations arise, we'll talk about those theories. Okay, children? So let's start with this. I always said we have something to solve. So if it is, see, he said this is the equation, he just asked you to find out the solution, but he did not tell whether it is completing square or breaking the into factors or using the formula. Nothing is known. So if you take 5 common, you will get x square. Yeah, you have, if you take 5 common, you will get x square minus 6x plus 4 equal to 0. So now you can break this into factors or directly use the formula minus b, x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this we are comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So if you compare with these two, a is 1, b is minus 6, c is 4. So what is x equal to? Minus b plus or minus root of b square means minus 6 square minus 4ac by 2a. 2 into a is 1, that's all. This you simplify, you will get the solution. So look at this. Of course, this can also be done by completing the square. Here we are using different method and here we are using the different method. So anyway, so if you look at this, you will get it as 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 16 is 20 by 2. Right, children? So 2 into this is 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So 3 plus or minus root 5. So where is that? This we have option D. So here if you observe, here we are using another method. Here I used a formula. Here I am using completing square. So children, here I am avoiding one method deliberately, that is splitting the middle term. Why I am avoiding the splitting of middle term is, in one of the previous problems we have done, where we will take the product of this and constant, then break that product to get the middle term. So getting factors for 4 to reach 6 is a difficult task. So there are no real, rational roots for that. Irrational roots are there, but not rational roots. That's why the complications are more. That's why we are not trying to split the middle term. So now completing square, you see, I brought plus 4 to the right. This plus 4 to the right, it becomes minus 4. So x square minus, this can be written as like this. That is x square minus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square, you see. These three terms can be written like this or not. A square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square equal to 9 minus 4 is 5. So, a minus b whole square equal to 5 you will get. So, a minus b equal to plus or minus root 5. So, x equal to 3 plus or minus root 5. So, this is the second method. So, now look at this. So, x minus 3 whole square equal to 5, x minus 3 is plus or minus root 5, x equal to 3 plus or minus root 5. So, this is one method, this is second method. See, this is first method and this is second method. This is first method and this is second method. Okay, children. Please note both the methods fast, quick. Quick, children, please note it fast. I will give you 10 seconds time to copy that. Quick. Yes, children, so let's move to the next solution. So let's remove this ink part. So now this is the thing. I did this because I wanted you to understand how I can move from there to here. In between one step was missing. That also I brought into picture. So that is nothing but like this, x minus 3 whole square equal to 5. I think no more steps are missing now. I think you should be able to write everything. Right, children? So let's move to the next question. Look at this. G of t, you are finding the variables in the denominator. You are finding the variables in the denominator. For what value of t is the function g is undefined. Undefined means what? Denominator becomes 0, it is undefined. So, take the denominator equal to 0, you will get that t plus 1 whole square minus 6 into t plus 1 plus 3, plus 9. So, that can be written as t plus 1 whole square minus 2 into t plus 1 into 3 plus 3 square. It is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, that is a minus b whole square. A minus b. B is what? 3. A minus b whole square. So, this is t minus 2 whole square equal to 0. T minus 2 equal to 0. T equal to 2. Finished. So, that is what we have done here, children. So, please note it fast, quick. You will be given 3 seconds time for this. Yeah, children, let us look at this over. Let's move to the next question. What is the sum of all values of k that satisfy this? Sum of all values of k means what? Sum of the roots. See, if ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 has two roots, x1 and x2, sum of the roots is what? Minus b by a, product of roots is c by a. These are all theories we have done. There is nothing new in this. So, same, just we are applying now. So, what is sum of roots here? Minus of minus 27 by 3. So, that is 27 by 3, that is equal to 9. Please note it fast, quick. I have given the logic here. Yeah. Yes, children, let us move to the next question. So, factors of this are, yeah, now children, here comes our other technique, the third method of solving. So, please look at this. See, in this always we will multiply x square coefficient and constant to get factors. 2 into 6 equal to 8. You take factors for 8, when you add those two, you should get minus 7. When you add those two, you should get minus 7. So, how do you use 8 to get minus 7? This is very, very important. Minus 7, sorry, minus 8 into, so plus 8 only. 2, 6, 12, sorry, not 8. That's what I am seeing here. 12. So, 12 is 2, 6, 12. Now, I should take factors for this to get minus 7. So, minus 4 into minus 3 is plus 12. But minus 4 minus 3 equal to minus 7. You see, this we are having or not. Therefore, always you should take x square coefficient and a constant and multiply them to get a number. Take factors for this, on adding which you will get the middle term. Right, children? This is the process. So, if you look at this, 2 into 6 is 12. Factors for 12 are minus 4 into minus 3. If you add minus 4 and minus 3, you will get minus 7. So, break this as 2x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 6. So, take x common between these two, minus 2 common between these two. You will be getting this. Take 2x minus 3 common between these two, you will get x minus 2 into 2x minus 3. This is the way we break it into factors. Please note it fast. Children, have you completed this? So let's move to the next question. So let's take this. He is asking you to find out factors. Again, we are doing the second question on factors once again. Please look at it. 5 into minus 3 is minus 15. Now you should take factors for minus 15 such that you get minus 14. So this is minus 15 into 1. So minus 15 plus 1 is minus 14. You got this. So therefore break minus 14x as minus 15x plus x. Therefore you will get it like this, minus 15x plus x. So that's what we have done here. If you take x common here, you will get 5x plus 1. Between these two, 3 common, you will get 5x, minus 3 common, you will get 5x plus 1. Between these two, you take 5x plus 1 common. Between these two, you will get x minus 3 into 5x plus 1. Please note it fast, quick. Yes, children. So let's move to the next question now. I think everyone has followed this. So now look at this question. Here we need to find out factors for this question. It is homework problem. Please note it fast. We will not do this because 2 questions are enough for us to give you enough practice. Please note it and do that as homework. Fast, children, quick. I'll remove this and go to the next one. Yes, children. So let's move to the next question now. So anyway, this is homework. Leave the solution. Let us go to this. Factors again. This is also homework. Please note that question. That is also homework. Please note it fast. Quick. 3 seconds time to note that question. Okay, children. Let's move to the next question. Yeah. X square minus 2x minus 24, which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? So now look at this. See, first and foremost thing, if you take sum of roots, it is minus b by a, that is 2. Product of roots is c by a, that is minus 24. So this is the easiest way to identify which of them are equivalent. This is minus 3 and plus 8. Minus 3 into 8 is minus 24, satisfied. Minus 3 plus 8 is 5, which is not 2. Not the answer. You take this. Minus 6, this is equal to 6. This is equal to minus 4. 6 into minus 4 is minus 24. And 6 minus 4 is 2, satisfied. Sum of the roots and product of the roots are satisfied here. So therefore answer is C. Therefore answer is C. Of course there are many methods to solve this, but I have given you very easiest method. So look at this. Find 2 number for which sum is minus 2 and the product is 24. The same process we are using. So sum of the roots is minus b by a. So 2 and product of the roots is, so this is wrong, children. So maybe instead of minus 2 I took it plus 2 while doing it. So therefore this cannot be the answer. Alternatively, when sign has changed, automatically they will change. Numericals will change. Okay. So it's option C. Please note it fast. So same thing, maybe they have taken on the left side, not on the right side. Okay. Anyway, please note it fast. Quick. Yes, children. So let us move to the next question. So let's move to the next question now. He is asking you to find out which of the following are equivalent. Again, the process is same. We should find out sum of roots and product of roots and check it. So please note this question as homework. Quick. I'll give you 5 seconds time because you need to note options also. Quick, children. 5 seconds time for copying that question. Okay, I think you have copied it. Let's move to the next question. Let me not show you the solution. So, which of the following is equivalent to the above expression? Again, this is the same sum of roots and product of roots. Please note these questions. It is a homework again. Quick. I'll give you 10 seconds, 5 seconds time to copy that question. Quick, children. Okay, let's move to the next question now. Factorize. See, factorize already we have done. How to break them into factors we have already seen. So again, this is homework. Right, children? So please note this fast. Factorizing one is homework for you. Please note this question. Okay, children, let's move to the next question. Yeah. Which of the following are again equivalent expressions? It is same, again homework. Please note it. This is 2x square plus x minus 15. Because little up it went, so therefore I am rewriting that. Take that fast. Homework question again. You are being given so many homeworks. Apart from that, you have in the material also, so you need to do everything, children. You cannot escape. Homework problems are compulsory. The notes will be checked. So everyone should put a separate notebook for SAT English and SAT Mathematics, and as well for Maths, Physics, Chemistry and English of morning sessions. So every student who is there in universal program is supposed to have 4 books for morning sessions and 2 books for evening sessions. Therefore, I need to see 6 notebooks with everyone. Right, children? So if somebody has not purchased them till now, it is your responsibility to buy them now. Please keep separate notebooks, and everything I should see in the notes. Your notes will be checked. There will be ownership program which is starting. Every faculty member is going to adapt 5 to 6 students. They are going to be in touch with them. Right, children? So please don't hesitate. Next question will go. Yeah. Which of the following is equivalent? Again, this is homework. So let's not waste our time here. Zeros. Now, what is meant by zeros of a quadratic equation or polynomial? Whatever it is, it's same. Zeros means nothing but the values of x for which that given equation becomes 0. The values of x for which that given equation becomes 0 are called as zeros of that particular equation. So as this is quadratic equation, I am asking you to find out zeros of quadratic equation. So now I need to take 3 common. You will get 9x square minus 1, that is equated to 0. So this is 3x whole square minus 1 square, a square minus b square, you can write as a plus b into a minus b. So if you equate this to 0, you will get x is minus 1 by 3, and equate this to 0, you will get x equal to 1 by 3. So options are 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. Please note it fast, quick. Children, I think you have noted this. Let's move to the next question. Of course, here we have used a plus b into a minus b concept. So a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Each one of them, if it is equated to 0, you will get x is equal to minus 1 by 3 and x equal to 1 by 3, which option A satisfies. So, option A is the answer for this, right children. So, let us move to the next question. Again zeros means again equal to 0. This is nothing but solving of quadratic equations only one way. So, you should equate this to 0 to get it, or otherwise, as if you take the previous case, it is the factors we are taking. So, if you look at this, this can be written as 2x whole square, 9 is 3 square. So, this 12x can be written as 2 into 2x into 3, 2 into 2x into 3. So, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. If you equate it to 0, you will be getting x equal to minus 3 by 2. So, as both the roots are same, answer should be minus 3 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Please note it fast. Yes children, so let us move to the next question. I think everyone has followed this, so let us move to the zeros of this. Again the process is same. You can write it as like this: x square minus 2 into x into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 is 1 by 4 whole square. So, this is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. If it is equated to 0, you will get x equal to 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. So, option C satisfies. So, this is the thing, this is a perfect square, it can be converted into perfect square. So, you will get it like this. So, which is x minus 1 by 4 whole square, where x minus 1 by 4 is 0 means x is 1 by 4. That is what we have done here. Please note it fast, quick. Okay children, let us move to the next question. This is very simple and basic model only. So, let us see what is this, which is equivalent to the above fraction. So, if you take 3 common, you will get x square minus 16. So, this is 3 into x plus 4 into x minus 4. Sum of roots is 0. X is missing means sum of roots is 0. Product of roots is minus 16 plus 4 into minus 4 is minus 16. So, look at this. Which of the options you have? 3 if you take common, x minus 4 into x plus 4, option A is there, which is satisfying the given condition. So, answer is option A children. Please note it fast, quick. So, children, in regular classes of morning, we have done much typical questions than these things. These are all our basic forms, but these are the things which are asked in SAT. So, whatever are asked in SAT, those levels we are working in SAT patterns, and whatever questions are asked in IIT JEE or JEE mains or whatever it is, that we are doing in the morning. So, therefore, you need to work on both the things. So, once you are, I think you should be understanding here, if you are having a chapter which is there both in IIT JEE, JEE mains and as well in SAT, in JEE mains you are doing much higher than what you are doing here. So, generally if I break this objectives into 3 levels, level 1, level 2, level 3. So, only level 1 is enough for SAT 1, whereas for subjective SAT level 1 and level 2 are required, which is again equivalent to JEE mains. ACT or subjective SAT, it is almost same level, and of course APs and level 3s like IIT JEEs are almost same. Therefore, prepare accordingly and keep your mind accordingly. So, these are all level 1 questions of what we have done in our regular class in the morning. So, in the quadratic equations, there we have done high level questions, because there we are doing up to level 3. Here we are doing up to level 1 only. So, therefore, please keep these points in mind and then work accordingly. So, those who are practicing JEE Mains and JEE Advanced perfectly, for them, if same chapter is there in SAT, this becomes much simple for you. Okay, children. So, let's move to the next question. This is x minus 6 root x minus 16. So, which of the following are equivalent to that? So, now children, this should be a quadratic equation. So, what I will do is x minus 6 root x minus 16 he gave. So, I will write x as root x whole square minus 6 root x minus 16. So, now I should find factors to get this. So, I can write this as 1 into minus 16 is minus 16. Factors for this to get minus 6 is minus 8 into 2. So, minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6, satisfied here. Right, children? So, this can be written as root x whole square minus 8 root x plus 2 root x minus 16. So, take root x common here, you will get root x minus 8. Between these two common, you will get root x minus 8. So, between these two, you take root x minus 8 common, you will get root x plus 2. So, therefore, which option is there? You see, root x minus 8 into root x plus 2. So, look at this again. Here we are using little different method. Same thing, but here we are continuing with root x as it is. Here we are assuming root x as y. Therefore, this becomes y square minus 6y minus 16. So, where y equal root x. Therefore, this if you break, you will get like this. How to break them I have shown. Wherever y is there all we write root x. So, the same logic. Right, children? Please note it fast, quick. So, I think step to step we will put a mark. This is only simplification, finding out factors. So, this is one step, this is next step, and this is final step, like that. Yeah, children, we are continuing with continuous teaching throughout 1 hour of time. But is every student enjoying or not? This is important question. See, generally whenever we do some jokes or try to take you a little bit away from regular class, then take you to different world, then have a little fun, then come back to the regular class, then this is the kind of teaching a student enjoys. So, children, we can do all those, but children, remember, we are working with a mission. We are taking December SAT exam. So, actually we are supposed to do in 1.5 hours the same session we are doing in 1 hour. That means we are trying to have some time which is not available for fun. So, that means if there would have been 1.5 hours for us, we would have had some time to do some fun, some general deviated sessions. That is why, to avoid all these things, we are having some sessions called as motivational sessions, something called as psychology sessions. Any general talk should be done there, as we have just 1 hour time to complete something which needs full utility of 1 full hour. Therefore, we are not doing all that. But children, if really somebody is serious of achieving something in their life, they will not talk about fun in the regular time. I think you understand what I am trying to tell. So, now if somebody is really expecting fun in this time also, then you should understand you are not looking for a serious career. So, children, once you get the serious career, I am sure you will have a lot of time for fun, years of time for fun. So, do you like that years of fun or just few 1 or 6 months of time? For SAT it is 6 months. So, would you be looking for 6 months of fun or lifetime fun? So if you're really looking for lifetime fun, don't bother about this 6 months. Try to spend as much time as possible and try to ensure that you and all your friends will be benefited by these lectures and reach your goal. Right, children? So let us move with that logic. So this is the thing. So I'll remove this ink part so that it looks neat. So this is the thing. So answer is this. Option number D. Okay, children, let's move to the next question. So let's take this. So now look at this. X square plus y square is 10 he gave, and xy equal to minus 3. What is the value of x minus y whole square? So x minus y whole square is x square plus y square minus 2xy. So we have x square plus y square given separately and xy separately. So substitute these things. X minus y whole square is x square minus 2xy plus y square. That is x square plus y square minus 2xy. X square plus y square is 10. Minus 2 into xy is minus 3. So 10 plus 6 is 16. So option B satisfies. Please note it fast. Okay, children, let's move to the next question. So x plus y is 10 and x minus y is 4. What is the value of x square minus y square? Of course, simple, very simple. I think you all know what is x square minus y square, which is x plus y into x minus y. Therefore, it is 10 into 4, which is 40. So please note it fast, quick. 2 seconds time, not more. Yes, children, I think you might have copied it. So let's move to the next question. These are all very basics of quadratics or your algebra levels of thinking. You are very much well versed with all these things from your class 6th onwards, if I am right, or at least 7th or 8th. So now look at this. 4p plus 1 whole square is 81, where p is greater than 0. What is the possible value of p? So now look at this. 4p plus 1 is equal to root 81, plus or minus I can take. So 4p plus 1 equal to plus or minus 9. So 4p plus 1 equal to 9 or 4p plus 1 equal to minus 9. So p equal to 2 or p equal to minus 5 by 2. So but he said p is greater than 0. So this part is not possible as this is negative, So p equal to 2 is the answer you have. So please, option A satisfies. Please note it fast. Yes, children. So let us move to the next question. I'll remove the ink so that you can see the solution clearly. Anyway, same thing what it is here, I am doing it either in the same method or sometimes in different method, but ultimately everywhere you will find some solution. If really I find this is more typical what I have used, then I am keeping this so that you note only that. I am also mentioning that, children. So anyway, let's move to this. So anyway, x minus 1 into x minus 3 is minus 1. What is the possible value of x that we need to do? So therefore here directly we cannot get it. So you need to expand and equate it to minus 1 and then simplify. then you will get it as x square minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. Take factors for this so that you get values of x. So, the factors for this is x minus 2 whole square. So, x minus 2 equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. Therefore, x equal to 2 is the solution. So, please note it fast. Option B satisfies. Quick. Yes, children, let us move to the next question. So, take this. By what amount? See, in SAT, this type of word problems are more. Therefore, these word problems are very less or 0 in IIT JEE or JEE Mains, but in this case, we will get more of word problems also. So, please practice these things. By what amount does the sum of roots exceed the product of roots of the equation? Of course, this is not a word problem, this is simple, but still by what amount it exceeds means it is more than that. That is what he is asking you to talk about. So, sum of roots is what? This is 5, that is minus 2. Sum of roots is 5 plus of minus 2, that is 3. Product of roots is 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10. So, now what is that he says? By what amount does the sum of roots exceeds? Means how much is 3 more than this? Minus 10 plus 13 equal to 3, children. Minus 10 plus 13 equal to 3. So, it exceeds by 13. So, which option? Option C satisfies. Look at this. Okay. So, this is the thing. So, option C satisfies. Please note it fast. Yes, children, let us move to the next question. So, I think you have copied this and it is a very simple question. Only thing is you should understand the meaning of exceeds means, that is all. Okay. How many times, how much it exceeds, how much it differs, all these are different words that can be used. You need to understand the perfect meaning of it, that is all. Remaining all are okay. So, now next question you see, 3k plus 14 into k is 5. If R and S represents the solutions of the equation where R is greater than S, what is the value of difference itself is minus, right, children? So, therefore, this difference of R and S should have been a proper question than saying difference R minus S. Anyway, it is okay, English, simple English language. He is calling R minus S as the difference. Difference of R and S or difference R minus S are one and same, it does not matter. So, first of all, let us find out two values of k. So, for that, first of all, let us expand this. So, you will get it as 3k square plus 14k minus 5 is 0. Take factors for this. So, now you see 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. The factors for this such that you get plus 14. So, 15 into minus 1. So, 15 minus 1 is 14. So, therefore, I can write this as 3k square plus 15k minus k minus 5 is 0. Take 3k common between these two, you will get k plus 5 minus 1 common between these two, k plus 5. So, take k plus 5 common, you will get 3k minus 1 equal to 0, k equal to minus 5 and k equal to 1 by 3. These are the two values. So, in this R and S are, one is R and one is S. One is R and of course, same thing here and there. In that one is R and one is S. R is greater than S means very clearly R should be 1 by 3 and S should be minus 5. Okay. So, now he is asking to find out R minus S. R minus S is 1 by 3 minus of minus 5. This is plus 5. So, 15 plus 1, 16 by 3. So which option satisfies, children? This is 16 by 3, not by 2. So option D satisfies. Please note it fast. Okay, children, let's move to the next question. I think everyone has followed this. So let's move to the next question now. So 2x plus m into kx plus n equal to this. For what values of x, m plus n equal to 13? M plus n equal to 13. So m and n, so they are constants. M and n are constants. So what is that he said? This is equal to 6x square plus 29x plus c. For what values of x and m plus n equal to 13 he gave off. He is asking to find out the value of c. So now look at this. If you multiply these two, 2kx square, that is equal to 6x square. So k equal to 3. We got first k value. Next we should get m plus n values. So k is 6, k is 3 we got. Now m plus n equal to 13 he gave. Now what is the value of c? What is c? c is equal to mn. c is equal to mn. So now look at this. So 2n plus 3n. 2n plus 3m is equal to 29. So 2n plus 3m equal to 29 and m plus n. So m plus n equal to 13. So solving these two you can get values of n. So multiply this by 2. So you will get it as 2n plus 3m equal to 29. 2n plus 2m equal to 26. So subtraction, these two gets cancelled, m equal to 3. If m is 3, put it there, n equal to 10. You know m and n, m plus n equal to 13 we know. So now what is c value? c is equal to mn. So mn means what? 3 into 10, that is 30. So option D. Right, children, this is how you get those things. So please note it and copy this question fast. Yes, children, let us move to the next question or problem. So this you have already copied, so let's move to the next one. X square minus kx equal to 20 and x minus k by 2 equal to 6. Which of the following are possible values of x? Means x equal to 6 plus k by 2. So now look at this. See, here you have x square minus kx. So, this can be written as x square minus 2 into x into k by 2. So, you need to add k by 2 whole square. This you should add on both sides, okay, or otherwise minus k by 2, anything, it does not matter. So, now if you add k by 2 whole square, this becomes x minus k by 2 whole square equal to, anyway, here I write it, x minus k by 2 whole square, x minus k by 2 whole square equal to k square by 4 plus 20. So, here x minus k by 2 equals 6 he gave, means this is 6 he gave, that is 6 he gave, children, okay. So, 6 square minus 20 equal to k square by 4, k square equal to, this is 36 minus 20, 16 into 4 is 64, k equal to plus or minus 8. So, now what is the value of x, he said? K can be plus 8 or minus 8, it does not matter. If it is plus 8, you will get x minus 8 by 2 is 4, x minus 4 is 6, k equal to 8, x equal to 6 plus 4, 10, k equal to minus 8, x equal to 6, minus into minus is plus, when plus goes to right it becomes minus. So, k by 2 means 8 by 2 is 4, so 6 minus 4 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2. So, which options are there? You have 10, no, you have 2, so option A is the answer, right children? Please note it fast. This is little solvable type of question, wherein we had to spend little energies, not much, but very little energy, children. Please note it fast. So, children, I think you have copied. Let's move on to the next question. So, look at this. Anyway, it's same what we have done. So, let's move to the next question. Yeah, it is x square minus 3 by 2x plus c equal to x minus k whole square. Find the value of c, he said. Find the value of c means I should find out the value of c there. So, now look at this. X square minus 3 by 2x plus c is there, which is equal to x minus k whole square, means I should write it in the form of whole square form. So, x square minus 2 into x into 3 by 4. So, I should take plus 3 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 whole square also, plus c, like this. So, look at this. If you take this and compare these equations, because you want this expansion here, compare these equations. 1 is 1, minus 2k equal to minus 3 by 2. So, k equal to 3 by 4 and then k square equal to c. This is not needed, directly also we are getting here this way. So, c equal to k square means 3 by 4 whole square, that is 9 by 16. So, which option satisfies, children? Option D satisfies. Please note it fast, quick. So, let us remove this upper part, otherwise this is confusing for you. Yeah, I think this will suffice the solution. Yes, children. So, with this we close your today's session. I hope you have enjoyed this session and wish that you have all followed everything. We have tried to do everything the most simplest possible way, but children, as I said, SAT has the easiest question compared to our regular JEE Mains and JEE Advanced patterns, but still even in this there are certain questions which needs little bit of simplifications which you need to spend time. For that you need to have patience. Thank you and have a great day, and wish that you practice these problems at home once, children. Thank you.